Hey, good morning, traders. How we doing? Post-election day here in the United States, we had a lot of action. Just when I said I'm not going to trade, what do? I trade. Um, let's jump over to the monthly real quick. This is crazy. Isn't that beautiful? Just everything we're looking for in a trade, right? Step one, the impulse, taking out a high over here. All these sellers just got crushed. Makes a nice little base, a little shelf for us to land. Price just bop, bop, and then a beautiful wash drops in there, has the retest go up. Now the thing about the retest, excuse me, is I say retest or uh, expansion after that, right? So I look back, because oftentimes it'll hit here and then come back. I mean, this one hit right there. I mean, where's my kill zone's in here somewhere, right? You could call that good and be like, hey, Mike, I took this trade and you're up. Perfect. Beautiful trade. Love it. All day long. But if it also goes up higher, the word escapes me, retests or blows past the high, we have a retest back here. And if you were on this trade last night, and notice that this bar right here is right on that. So as a tip, I always try to stay maybe a little bit below that. Maybe a little bit below that. Just because, even that will get hit. Like this guy here, right? Look at this. This guy right here lost his trade. He was like, oh yeah, I'm long. Pop, boom. But yeah, there's some good stuff to be had. I knew that was in the top. This much I know that was not a top. This, if it goes up and comes straight back down, maybe a top. Look at these tops up here. Pop, boom, comes down here. Doesn't mean it's over, doesn't mean anything. Just, it is what it is. We have to trade with that. So I was looking at I did my pre-morning analysis, got my push-ups in, was doing my thing, and I'm like, I'm not trading today. Just too much volatility. Don't know what's going to happen. And then, of course, I'm sitting here just chilling out, watching the market, getting the kids ready for school, got the breakfast going. I got all this stuff here. Let me pull my notes up here. Blah, 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 blah. Is this yesterday? I don't know. So I see the impulse. I draft my setup. I see this here, and man, I'm kind of bummed. I had it all done up here. Oh wait, maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. Nope, nope, nope. I'm trying to find the trade I was in. So anyhow, I think this is it. Put my stop right there. Now, full disclosure. Full disclosure. I got out right there. I actually think I got out like right in there somewhere. Just under 3-1, right? Because you've heard me this week, right? Take your money, tight stops, take your money. tight stops. Where's my marketing material here? Don't I have my marketing material? Yeah, come on. Got to keep it going here. Got to get the new people in. Look, it's only $25. It's not like you're getting a very simple, basic program here with multiple updates a day, and just really good trader talk. We're focused on one trade, and that's it. And then, so here's my point. Once it did here, you could have got in again and carried a little further. It got another one. If you're like, oh man, I missed it, and it starts to come back. This line here holds, right? It holds. So then you're, boom, there you are. There's two of them right there. And maybe it's that one I was in. I was in somewhere here. I had to go, so that's why I pulled out early. But I think it was up here. I don't know. It was in here. Yeah, it was here. Now I know. Yeah, because we had kids got to catch a train. A lot of information there. So, but just keep, just go back and look. What happened yesterday? Right? Where's the wash? Where's the shelf? Where's the setup taking place? Right? We have a retest here. Right? Am I wrong? There it is. There's your back test. For all you back testers out there, I'm going to back test this for a year and make sure this works. I saw somebody post that. I was like, dude, you're not going to trade. We're here to trade. We're here to learn today. Right? What's in front of you? Impulse. Right? It actually turned out to be a really nice trading day instead, being just kind of, all over the board. I'm bummed I didn't catch more. But you know what? I'm not here to get rich. I'm not here to get poor. I'm here to trade. There it is right there. You see it? Just jumped out right at you. We're going to line up how many 3-to-1 trades today. Just doing a little bit of recon. There's another one. Hit this here. Boom. There's another one. Right? Then it fails. Starts pulling back down into here. So now you're like, well, where does it land? Where is this ultimately going to land? You got to sit back and watch it. Right? Just sit back and watch it. If you want to trade the downside, then you have to start drawing it up. Shelf somewhere in here. Shelf somewhere in here. Right? If you took that trade, stop above there, you got to pop. See, you popped right there. I don't know. It's pretty far. I don't like those trades. I don't like those long distance. I do sell them from time to time. I don't get me wrong. I do. But it's such a small impulse leg, right? Like the impulse, like break it down for a minute, right? Let's think about something. Like this little impulse leg here is perfect for this space. This little impulse leg here doesn't really jive with this whole thing. Now, if I was to say, okay, I'm gonna draw it off of this one, and this is going to be, this is a different trade setup. This is, just kind of in my mind of things that I do. I'll sell that line, right, with a stop right there, and it doesn't work. You get a little action, but it doesn't work. And you're also going against the flow, right? It flows up. So that's just a lot of years of trading tip in this whole little space. See, it's just a little impulse, boom. This one, bigger impulse, right? Bigger impulse pulls back down into here. And all you Fibonacci guys out there, I know you don't listen to my show, so see 50%, boom, there it is. All right, so, but this one turns out to be a nice one too, right? Right, let's draw it up. Let's draw it up. Let's see if we can get rid of this. All I'm trying to do is save. You know what? No one's paying attention anyway, so let's just get rid of this here. So we have another impulse up. Pow. Shelf is somewhere in here like that. There, across there, maybe somewhere in here. There's really not a shelf. right? Now, we can get into it later. That's kind of a shelf, right? Kind of. I like this piece right here. I like this. This guy got popped. This guy got popped too right here. I like that. But then, right, you get shelf there. And then here it comes. Look at that. Right across the top. Giddy up, giddy up. Let's go. There's your retest. And you enter here with a stop. You go here. You go here. Either one of those is going to work because it just takes off. And you're gonzo. Overnight up there. I mean, look at how many trades we had. What a great day to trade. Hey, I laugh because I know I'm going to be here tomorrow. I'm going to make a trade today. Something's going to happen. It's going to be a great day. Just keep your size, relative to where you're at. Look at that thing go, man. Oh, holy smokes. But here's how we do it, right? Step 1, impulse. Pow. Step 2, shelf. Right? This is kind of weird. It's kind of weird. I like that one there. Right? It's like that's the impulse there. That's the retest, and it goes through there. Right? And then you have another impulse here. Right? With a retest with this here. So like just to break it down a little bit further, I'm looking to trade this swing. Right? It may come down in here and retest off this one, but that's the different swing. That's trading, man. That's welcome to the big leagues. You're gonna have to just get better at it. Every day, just a little better at what it is you're trying to get. So we have step 1, step 2, shelf, right? You boop, boop, boop. Step 3, you got the wash. Step 4, you got the retest. And now we're looking here. Here's the deal. 545. I don't trade at this time. This is not my trading. This is how I keep myself safe. I'll miss this trade because I know there's other trades coming. You just saw how many we posted up there. So I'm going to wait till about 7:15, 7:30, and then I get it on about, until about 10:30, 11 o'clock and try and get my piece. All right, guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you in a bit.